Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We've got a really quick video today. I'm going to show you how I blinged out this cute little mini car trash can for my car. Let's go ahead and get started. So to get started, we are going to prep our cute little trash can. I got this on Amazon. I will link it down below in the description box. The lid to the trash can just pops right off, and it has that little push lever opening, where you actually throw your stuff in there when it's in your car. But we're just going to prep the gold part of the trash can because that's the only part of it that I'm going to be applying rhinestones to. So I've got an 80 grit sanding block here. Anything between 60 to 220 grit will work. And we're just going to do a light sanding. This was already colored gold, so I didn't have to paint it or anything like that. I do prefer to use stuff that is similar to the color of the rhinestones I'm going to be placing, and if it's not, I will prep it first and then spray paint it and then rhinestone over that. Once I'm done with my sanding, I'm just going to clean it up with some rubbing alcohol and paper towel, and now we're ready to get started. The rhinestones that I'm using today are my Dawn Court mix from Flynn Sisters supply shop. This is a beautiful mix that has like light rose opal, light rose, light peach, golden shadow, and light amethyst. It'll take less than one of these 50-gram packs to complete our project today. So this is a great project to do if you have some left over, or if you don't want to commit to buying a whole bunch for a bigger project and you just want to test it out. This is a good, fun little beginner project. I'm using Liquid Fusion in my 18 gauge syringe needle here. I will link the syringes that I use in the description box, and you can find Liquid Fusion adhesive in my shop, FlynnSistersSupplyShop.com. And I'm just starting with the bottom outline of our trash can lid here, and we want to line up the bottom of our stones against the edge of that side there. And I'm just going to start by doing all of the outlines first, and we're doing a scatter method application. So I like to have the edges all nicely outlined first so they're nice and neat, and then we'll move into the body of our project. I've said this once and I'll say it again. I think one of the hardest parts for me with learning how to do these rhinestones is striking that perfect balance with my glue, so you don't want to have too much or too little. Obviously, with too little glue, your stones aren't going to stick, and if you have too much, it's going to get messy. They'll shift around and the glue will bloom up along the sides of your stones. So sometimes if my glue line is too thick from the start, I'll just remove it really quick and try again. Or I'll spread the glue out so it's a little thinner, and I'll end up placing more stones in the line than I would have originally, if that makes sense. Before I started on this top rim line, I waited for the bottom rim line to dry. And we're doing this in the same fashion that we did along the bottom rim. So just picking up rhinestones in all different sizes, we're lining up the bottom of the stone with the edge of that top rim. This project was so much fun because it felt like it went really fast because I had just these section by section that I was working in, which for whatever reason just made it feel quicker. But we should have something that looks like this after we do our top and bottom line work. And then I moved on to the very top of the lid. I wasn't originally planning on rhinestoning the very top here, but I just felt like it needed it. So along the straightaways, on the framing of the lid hole, I guess you would call it, I tried to use the same size stone, filling the straightaways. And then for that kind of wider section up at the very top, I lined it out on the bottom line, I guess, of that section, and then filled in like I normally would with a scatter pattern. And I just repeated that all the way around the cup. So again, using like an appropriate size stone, all the same size through the straightaways, and then scatter pattern up here along the top. So now we should have something that looks like this. And from here, I just moved on filling in the body of our project. Again, I really loved working one triangle at a time, so I would kind of line out the triangle that I was working on and then fill it in. And I just did that all the way around. I said it earlier in the video, I think this is a good beginner project because you're just working in these small sections. So I would just do one section, take a break, do the next section, take a break. Pretty easy. Here's what one of the sections looks like. I think this would even be cute if you alternated colors for each section. I don't know. I wanted to show you how beautiful Dawn Court looks in the sun. Look at that sparkle. So pretty, so feminine. I just love how this turned out. And I'll show you guys what this looks like in my car. So I think this is meant to go in your cup holder, but I can put it in like my side door, which is usually where I keep it. But if I want to be extra fancy, which I probably will be now because it's got the rhinestones and it's so cute, this does fit in your cup holder too. If you wanted, it's designed, I think, to fit in most cup holders. So here's what it looks like there. Got to open the little thing. Look at how cute. And then you can put all your little receipts, gum wrappers, whatever. Anyway, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Let me know what you thought in the comments section if you're going to try this out. And if you liked my video, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. And a big thank you to all of our Flynn Sisters exclusive members. Thank you for your pledge. Your support means the world to our channel. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.